Hi everyone, hopefully you're doing well. I am Kate from digitizings.com. After many requests, today we'll share details about Janome Horizon Memory Craft 12000 embroidery machine. But before we start, if you need embroidery digitizing, vector art services, or even digital marketing solutions, check out digitizings.com. Services start at just $5 with fast delivery, free edits, and secure payment options. Common problems in troubleshooting. Janome Horizon Memory Craft 12000 embroidery machine. Introduction, welcome to digitizings.com. If you own a Janome Horizon Memory Craft 12000, you know it's a powerful and advanced embroidery machine. However, like any machine, you might face some common problems. In this video, we'll discuss these issues and how to fix them so you can keep your embroidery running smoothly. Thread breakage issues. Problem: if your thread keeps breaking while stitching, it can ruin your design and cause frustration. Troubleshooting steps. Check if the thread is properly threaded through the machine and tension discs. Use high-quality embroidery thread to avoid weak or brittle strands. Make sure the bobbin is wound evenly and inserted correctly. Clean the thread path to remove any lint or thread buildup. Reduce the machine speed if you're using metallic or specialty threads. Needle breaking problem. Needles breaking frequently can slow down your work and damage fabric. Troubleshooting steps. Ensure you're using the correct needle size and type for your fabric. Replace old or bent needles with new ones. Check if the needle is inserted correctly with the flat side facing the back. Avoid pulling the fabric while the machine is stitching. Make sure the presser foot is down before starting embroidery. Bobbin thread not catching. Problem: if the bobbin thread is not being picked up by the needle, your machine won't sew properly. Troubleshooting steps. Ensure the bobbin is wound correctly and placed in the bobbin case properly. Clean the bobbin area to remove lint or thread debris. Check if the needle is fully inserted and not damaged. Rethread the top thread and make sure the presser foot is raised while threading. Skipped stitches. Problem: skipped stitches can make your embroidery look incomplete and messy. Troubleshooting steps. Use a new sharp embroidery needle. Rethread the machine carefully, ensuring there are no tangles. Adjust thread tension. Too loose or too tight tension can cause skipped stitches. Make sure the fabric is hooped tightly and properly stabilized. Machine not recognizing USB designs. Problem: if your machine does not read embroidery designs from the USB, it can limit your project options. Troubleshooting steps. Ensure the file format is compatible with the Janome Horizon Memory Craft 12000 JF format. Use a USB stick that is formatted properly. FAT32 is recommended. Keep the file name simple and short to avoid errors. Try using a different USB drive to check if the issue is with the USB itself. Thread nesting under fabric. Problem: a tangled mess of thread underneath the fabric can ruin your embroidery project. Troubleshooting steps. Rethread both the top and bobbin thread carefully. Make sure the bobbin is wound correctly and inserted properly. Check the upper thread tension and adjust if needed. Clean the bobbin case to remove lint buildup. Ensure the presser foot is down while stitching. Conclusion: by following these troubleshooting steps, you can solve common issues with your Janome Horizon Memory Craft 12000 and keep your embroidery projects running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to digitizings.com for more embroidery tips and tutorials. Happy embroidering! If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.